So this is the continuation of the video I did before. Continuation of the video I did before. So you can see that the land is dried, as you can see here. It's dried. The rain that fell heavily yesterday is here to completely get dried up here. You know, any vacant plot of land that is not yet developed, all the water that first around the area will have to flow to that place and stay there until the owner of the land to develop it. So then the water keeps moving like that. So you can see, you know, in the swampy area, you see palm trees, you see shrubs. These are the kind of trees that grow in the swampy area. But you can see these are normal, you know, trees. You can see ground in the swampy area. You cannot even see ground at all. This is the rain water that fell yesterday. So you see this house. You know, those are material I showed you there. This is the house where they are using to work. This is the house. This is the end of the fence, as I said before. So this they are using it to work. You see the house. They have completed the building and they are doing the roofing. When I came here this morning to do the video, the first video I sent to you, the workers were still here, you know, roofing the house. They have closed now because it's just a minute to 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. They have closed. You see that blue roof house up there? That is what they call it, a hospital built by the federal government. They finished it last year. They have not commissioned it for usage. So you can see this very house here now is directly facing the land that you want to buy. You see, between this house where I am, that is undergoing roofing right now, and that other house where I came from, you can see that the land you want to buy is the only one that has not been developed in between here. So once your land is developed, at your back, you can see development is already fully there in the first video I sent to you. Then in the front here, you see this house that's being, you know, that's undergoing, it's about to be completed, because after roofing, definitely other things will follow. And you even see this side of it, somebody has already bought this plot. He has started his fence, he has cleared it, so and he want to start working as well. You can see that. So these two plots are directly facing this very land that you want to buy. So you discover that this back side of it, or the front side of it, facing you, before the next few weeks or few months, these two houses will be ready. And on the other side where I'm coming from, that side is 100% built up. So it's only this land in the middle here that you want to buy that has not actually been developed. So in that case, you discover that once your own is equally developed, then this area is opened up. So this area is not yet opened up basically because of this land that you want to buy now that has not been developed. So as I said before, you see the route. You can see the line of a route that the landlord did. So all you need to do is just to buy blocks for the fence. I mean, you don't need to buy granite and to do route again. Although you still buy granite for the pillars, but you don't need to do route again. You just put a blocks on top of this route that the landlord has already done. So you can see the land. I see the bush on it because it has not been cleared. You know, these are the areas I told your brother could come to, your uncle could come to, he didn't come. So you see that house now where we are coming from. The other side where we are coming from. And you see this one too that is undergoing roofing. So you see where I am now is the middle, and this is the land that by special grace of God you want to buy. So you can see the fence there. So this is it. I must confess to you that to me it's a good deal in view of the fact that the land is gazetted, most especially And in view of the fact that the moneyless original owners of this whole area, they found the land you see in this whole area. You know, all the lands were sold by a particular family. Everybody that bought from that family. My own too, I bought from that family. Although not directly from the family, I bought from, you know, third party. You know, people who bought from the family, I bought from. But this very man, the owner of this land that you want to buy now, bought directly from the family. And I know the family, they are here with me. You know, we all live together here. So you see, development is fully here. You know, as I said before, this place is called Unilag Medical Staff Estate. All the buildings you see here, they are owned by Unilag Medical Staff and doctors. I said those who sold their own, you know, to other individuals, just like you know, who wants to buy here. I said that, but ordinarily all the lands, all the properties you see here, they are owned by doctors. So you see, from this place now down to the end there is a one plot that the banker bought. You see, he cleared his soul not too long ago. You see, it's field that grows here. It's field. You know, ordinarily, if a swamp, field, you don't see field in the swamp. You don't see the kind of way there. So from here, from this place down there where the bush, that's down to where I'm coming from just and that's the one you want to buy that has not been cleared. So you can see the environment as it is. This Paco here, you know, was built by the workers here who are working inside the place there. So you can see how the land is. It's completely dry land all the way from inside the estate down to this place. This is actually the place your uncle and I got to daddy before he turned back. So you can see how it is. So development has gotten to this from this man's house down to this place. So it is for you to take out the development further, and the banker who bought it and thank God in front of you, right inside the boat there, people are already developing there, as you have seen in the video, you know, the latter part of the earlier part of the video. So I think basically that that is the pieces of information you need that will really help you take a decision. Because though the agent confided in me this morning that someone has actually indicated interest to make payment for the land after the holiday, basically by next week. But it's my prayer that before someone else will pay, that you will be able to pay for this land, because I must confess to you, it's a very good bargain to get the land for 3 million naira in Naija here. That is even gazetted. It's not that very easy. So to me, it's a good deal that you are getting here. You can see the neighborhood. You can see the quality of houses they have here, not mushroom houses. They are not mushroom houses. They are rather quality houses built by people who know, you know, how to spend their money. So as I stand here now, you can see that land, that house that they are roofing inside. You can see it. Just look up, you know, so that you'll be able to see where I was just now. The house that they are roofing inside. So between that house they are roofing inside now and where I am now, you can see the distance. You can see. I zoom in so that you can see it. That is the house inside that they are roofing. So between that house they are roofing and this very house here you see here, it means that bush is where this land is. So once you develop your O2, everything becomes fully built up and developed. You know, see the kind of quality of houses they have here. So I am coming out of this place now. I'm actually trying to see. I want to show to you some of the see all those buildings, you see up, further down. If you look further down, you can see buildings. Those buildings are facing Lekki Expressway. Those are the buildings by Pan African University. I don't know if you can see those buildings. You can see those, buildings further down. Those are the buildings facing Pan Africa. Facing the Lekki Expressway by Pan African University. So you see that house that they are doing the roof. So you can see the land now. Between that house that they are roofing and this very house here, so in between is the land. That is the bush. You can see that people are already developing on the other side. So this land you want to buy is actually the remaining portion that has not been developed here. You can. So this compound you are going to share your common boundary with that compound. So you can see, the environment now. You'll be able to know exactly how the environment looks like. I think it's a very beautiful environment, I must confess, to the best of my judgment in any case. Thank you.